In today's video, I'm going to teach you about choosing how to send your survey using SurveyMonkey. Once you've crafted your survey and it's ready to go, you'll want to distribute it effectively. Let's break down the ways you can do this using SurveyMonkey's versatile options. First, after designing your survey, navigate to the Collect Responses tab. Here, you'll find several methods to send out your survey, depending on your target audience and the medium you believe will be most effective for reaching them. The first method is using a web link, which is the most flexible option available. This is especially useful if you're planning to share the survey on social media platforms, blogs, forums, or even via SMS. With this method, you receive a shareable URL that anyone can click on to participate in your survey. This option is ideal for broad reach and ease of access. Next up, we have the email invitation option. This method is best suited for when you have a specific email list of recipients like employees or customers. SurveyMonkey sends the email invitations on your behalf and diligently tracks who responds, allowing you to manage follow-ups more effectively. If you're looking to gather feedback directly from your website, the website embed is a great choice. You can embed your survey using HTML code as a pop-up or an iframe, integrating seamlessly into your existing website layout. This is particularly helpful for collecting user feedback or running a quick poll. For those looking to reach an audience through social media, SurveyMonkey has you covered. Share your web link across platforms like Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, or LinkedIn to capture responses from a wider audience. This approach is excellent for engaging with followers and reaching potential new participants. SurveyMonkey also offers a unique option for purchasing targeted responses, which is perfect for market research or when you need responses from specific demographics. By using SurveyMonkey Audience, you pay to have your survey distributed to a panel of qualified respondents, ensuring you get the insights you're looking for from the right people. And don't forget about the QR code option, which is fantastic for physical spaces like posters, flyers, or product packaging. SurveyMonkey can generate a QR code that links directly to your survey, providing an effortless way for participants to engage using their smartphones. Here are a couple of pro tips to make the most of these collection methods. Consider using multiple collectors for the same survey. This allows you to reach different audiences simultaneously and compare results across different distribution channels. Additionally, before launching your survey, ensure you check each collector's settings, such as anonymity, multiple responses, and any other preferences you might have to ensure your survey runs smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to choosing how to send your survey using SurveyMonkey.